Hello student, I am your APD ma'am. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the process of fertilization in the flowering plants. And we have learned that the result of the fertilization is actually the formation of seed. And that seed is very important for the generation of the new plant. And today we are going to discuss about the necessity of the seed dispersal and what are the ways of the dispersing of the seed. So let's start. So see the term seed dispersal. So here dispersal means spreading or transferring of seed from one place to another place. But what is the necessity of the seed dispersal? So the first one, to avoid the competition for the suitable condition. Now, for example, just imagine I am dividing you into two groups. In the first group, I am providing only one of your favorite chocolate among you, and in the next group, I am providing the chocolate one by one. Okay, so what will be the difference? Well, in the first group, after taking the chocolate, you just start to call to each other because there is a shortage of the chocolate. And in the next group, all of you are very happy because you get the chocolate as you need. So here also, if the mother plant deposit its all seed in a very small area, then there will be a shortage of nutrients or favorable condition that required for the development of a new plant. Now, what are the suitable things? First one is water, then sunlight, then soil, and then the nutrients, the food and nutrients. Okay. Now, if the mother plant spread the seeds from its own place to another one, then there will be a sufficient amount of suitable resource for the growing of the new plants. So there will be no competition and all the new plants grow in its own way and they become healthy. So for avoiding the competition and for proper growth and development of the new plant, seed dispersal is very important. Now the next one is to invade a new habitat. Now habitat means a place where the plant resides. So to avoid its extreme or unfavorable condition, they actually move from one place to another place and generate or produce a new individual. So these are the points that are important for the seed dispersal. Okay, so next one, what are the ways of the seed dispersal? Now see the pictures and try to guess. So first one is the wind. Next one is the water. Third one by the animals. And fourth one by explosion. So wind, water, animals, and explosion. These are the very common ways of seed dispersal. Okay, now just try to understand the features of the seeds that are dispersed in different way. Okay, the first one, dispersal of seed by wind. So first of all, see the examples. This is the seed of the maple. These are the seeds of drumstick, and this is the mother plant. So see here, in every cases there is a common thing. That means there is some wing-like or feather-like structure or fibrous structure on the seed surface, which make them very light and able to float. Okay, so first one, light in weight, small in size, presence of hairy structure on the surface of the seed or wing-shaped structure. Now in case of maple, you can see a prominent wing-shaped structure. And in case of mother, see here some hairy structure. Okay. And the examples are dandelion, cotton, drumstick, maple, etc. Okay. Now the next one. So the next factor is the water. So see the pictures. These are very common. The first one is the coconut and second one is the seeds of lotus. So in the first case, see on the outer surface of the seed there is a fibrous coating which helps them to float on the water surface. Okay, so first one obviously light in weight. Next one, large surface area which helps them to float. Next one, spongy or fibrous coating outside the seed. And next one, there is any waterproof coating or waxy coating on the seed surface. So these are the features of the seeds that are dispersed by the water. And examples are very common: coconut, lotus, water lily, etc. Okay. Now the next one is by the animals. So in that case, there are two ways. First one by eating, or next one by adhering on the body surface of the animals. So in case of eating, the fruit or seed should be colorful and tasty. Okay, so that they attract the animals and they consume it and remove the seeds by their waste products, and they disperse it in many areas. Okay, now the next one, in case of seed that are adhered on the body surface, they have some special type of structure on their surface. Now in case of xanthium, see these are some hook-like structure on their body surface which help them to attach with the body surface of the animals, and with the movement of the animals they move from one place to another place. So these are two ways through which the animals disperse the seed. Okay. And examples, if first case it may be guava, papaya, or any tasty fruit, and in case of second one, the examples are xanthium, urena. Okay. Now the last one, by the explosion. Now in that case, suddenly due to some jerk, the fruit burst and the seed scattered far away from the parent plant. So it's very common in case of balsam, and castor. Okay, so these are the ways of the seed dispersal of the plants. Thank you.